Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with a fun and practical project, a DIY motion detection alarm. Whether you want to keep an eye on your home while you're away or simply want to add an extra layer of security to your space, this project is perfect for you. But before we jump into the build, let's quickly go over what we'll need for this project. Take the marker and trace around the perimeter of the motion sensor front cover on the plastic box. This will help us know where to cut the hole for the sensor. Once the hole is cut in the plastic box, securely attach the sensor cover using a hot glue stick. This will ensure the cover stays in place and protects the sensor inside. Create a hole in the plastic box that is large enough to accommodate a micro USB charger. This will allow us to easily charge the device without needing to open the box. Apply double-sided tape to the back of the charging module. This will help us securely mount the module inside the plastic box. Connect the rechargeable 3.7-volt battery to the battery terminal of the charging module using soldering. This will allow the battery to recharge when connected to a power source via the charging module. Add another hole in the plastic box large enough to fit our switch. Then, carefully heat the switch using a soldering iron and place it securely into the hole. Next, position the charging module inside the box, ensuring it's securely placed. Then, apply double-sided tape to the battery and affix it inside the box as well, making sure it's firmly in place. Cut a hole in the box large enough to accommodate a USB Type-A female port. Secure the USB Type-A port inside the box by using a glue stick to ensure it doesn't move. While applying the glue, utilize the USB plug of our LED bulb to hold the USB female port in place. Create a 2mm hole next to the USB port. Position the buzzer in the 2mm hole and secure it in place using a glue stick. Attach two wires to the output terminals of the charging module. To easily identify the positive and negative terminals, use a red wire for the positive connection and a black wire for the negative connection. Connect the end of the red wire, positive, to the center pin of the switch. Then, connect another wire from one side pin of the switch to the positive pins of both the USB port and the buzzer. Attach the motion sensor board to the cover we prepared earlier. Now let's display the data of the motion sensor so we can easily understand where each connection goes. Connect the end of the positive wire we connected to the buzzer to the VCC pin of the motion sensor. Then, connect the ground, negative wire from the charging module to the ground pin of the motion sensor. This will ensure proper power supply to the motion sensor. We will use a 2N5551 transistor as a switch for our circuit. Connect the base of the transistor to the output pin of the motion sensor. Then, connect the collector pin of the transistor to the negative pin of the buzzer. Finally, connect the emitter of the transistor to the ground. This setup will enable the transistor to act as a switch, activating the buzzer when motion is detected. To complete the circuit, connect a wire from the negative pin of the buzzer to the negative pin of the USB port. This connection ensures that both the buzzer and the USB port function properly within the circuit. The choice of using a 3V LED with a USB plug is strategic, as it provides flexibility. You can easily remove the LED if you prefer to use the buzzer only, offering versatility in how you configure the alarm system to suit your needs. Switching between single trigger and repeated trigger modes is simple. Just adjust the position of the jumper as demonstrated in the video. This allows you to customize the behavior of the motion detection alarm based on your preferences and requirements. If you plan to place the motion detection alarm outside your house, it's advisable to use a solar panel for charging. This ensures a continuous power supply, making the system more reliable and sustainable, especially in outdoor environments where access to electrical outlets may be limited. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your own DIY motion detection alarm. Remember, security doesn't have to be complicated, and with a little creativity, you can enhance the safety of your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting DIY projects and tech tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy tinkering.